Is it possible that that could be what we're missing in that science model that proves that the interconnectedness and the consciousness actually flows through that? For instance, the Tao, the yin and yang, it's a two-dimensional symbol. What if it's three-dimensional? What if it actually symbolized the light on and light off and the pulsing through our DNA helix? If you look at it, it's set up to where that symbol shows the double helix.
Hmm. I do feel really strongly about the symbol about the Trinity, or the symbol, like this is the symbol that I wear around my neck,
Sure.
and I have for many years. I don't wear any other symbol, and it is like a representation of the three, and I find that there is such a power in just understanding how many dimensions along which that Trinity takes effect. So, for example, past, present, future, right? In Hebrew, one, two, and three is literally man, woman, and child. And there are so many places where, like, observer, observed, and observing. Like there's the thing that's
Right.
being observed, the thing that's observing, but then there's the process itself as a whole. And as we know through quantum physics, it is literally the process of observation that crystallizes a sea of potentiality into one particular form, one particular moment. And I find, Schrodinger's cat, the whole concept of superposition of states and the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, where the more we know about the location of a subatomic particle, the less we know about its trajectory and its velocity. But the more we know about its trajectory and velocity, the more its exact position becomes kind of fuzzy. But then we slip a beam splitter into this place where those two paths intersect. What appears on the beam splitter is an interference pattern. So that means that literally we fire this photon, it makes a choice to go this way or go that way, but there's always this, like, let's say it chose to go this way in physical reality, there's always this latent possibility that's just existing, enfolded in time space. And if we put something such that it can interact with itself, because light is the boundary of, speed of light is the boundary of all motion, or whatever, it means that light is everywhere at once. And so as soon as it goes this way, and then you put it something where it can interact with itself, this just winks into existence so that it can interact with itself.